Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the right setup. Sit or stand with good light, wash and dry hands, and lower music volume to near silence. Once done, lean forward and tilt your head away from the side. You'll remove first so gravity helps. Make sure your fingers are free of lotion or gloves that reduce grip. You want unobstructed access to the earbud stem and the outer cap. This lets you apply a controlled thumb and index pull without twisting or tugging. Now for the actual removal. Cup your thumb behind the stem and rest your index on the outer cap. This gives balanced pressure on both sides. Once you have the grip, pull outward and slightly downward in a single smooth motion. Think gentle hinge rather than yank, because the ear tip seal releases more easily with that angle. If it feels stuck, add a tiny 1-2 mm wiggle while keeping steady outward pressure to break the seal, then finish the pull. After removal, check the silicone tip and your ear for debris and clean them with a dry, lint-free cloth. Healthy seals mean better sound later. If you plan to reinsert, make sure the correct tip size is used and test the fit and audio immediately. If an earbud won't budge, power off audio sources, then try a gentle twist combined with outward motion. If that fails, stop and seek professional service to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.